Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, Sagittarius placements. This is your love reading ngayong September. Okay, outcome pagdating sa sitwasyon ninyo. Okay, so outcome ang ating titingnan. Okay, so yeah, syempre before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, if you're interested pagdating sa ating private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin pagdating kay Perception of Light and sa mga naghahanap ng healer, kay Kuya Dingsi naman po tayo magme-message. And yes, kung may mga tanong pagdating sa ating mga evil eye items, sa ating love bracelet, sa ating grantor necklace, and doon sa ating new item for cleansing, just message me. Okay, sa atin pong FB page ha, Fias Tarot. Okay, so let's start. Sag, who is this? Okay, who's the person on your mind? Okay, anong meron sa kanya? Sagittarius. Okay, the Two of Cups in reversed. The Page of Pentacles. Hindi mo maintindihan itong taong to, no? Masasabi ko tuloy bata, kasi some of them pwedeng bata or younger. Okay, hindi mo pagtanto kung ano bang emosyon nito for you. Okay, hindi mo makuha, hindi mo mahuli. Kung hindi man bata, they're acting immature. Okay, they're acting immature. Emotionally. Okay? Water and earth. Let's see, anong situation ninyo? Anong situation? Some of you, magka-chat kayo nito or magka-connect. There's a connection. Pero, pagdating sa feelings, pagdating sa emosyon, may gap, may distansya. Okay? Anong meron sa situation ninyo, mga Sagittarius? Okay, the Page of Cups. The Knight of Pentacles. Someone is too slow pagdating sa pag-open up ng feeling. So, ang nangyayari is nagbibigay lang ito ng confusion. Nagbibigay lang ito ng mga katanungan pagdating sa'yo. Maybe. Okay? Yeah, the Ace of Cups in reverse. Parang ang naibibigay lang sa'yo nito is just plain communication or flirting. Okay? Yeah. Some of you, they're not consistent. They are not. Hindi mo malaman kung ano emosyon nito sa'yo, intention. Kasi, yeah, nakikipag-usap to. Open naman siya sa'yo, pero bakit yung action, bakit yung emosyon, parang wala. Parang ganun. Okay? Pwedeng may iniintay ka, na-expect ka sa kanya. Okay. Ano pa bang meron dito? Ano pang meron? Ano bang hadlang? Let's see. Anong meron? Bakit hindi siya nagiging transparent or genuine or straightforward? Bakit hindi niya magawang totally maging open pagdating sa emosyon? The Eight of Pentacles in reversed. Sabihin natin hindi ganun kaseryoso. Okay? Yeah, the Nine of Pentacles in reversed. Alam nyo, naibibigay nyo lang siguro din yung mga pangangailangan ng taong to. Okay? Yeah, the Queen of Swords in reversed. Ikaw ang dahilan nito kung bakit ito nag-i-stay or kung bakit ito nandyan. Pero kung hindi mo to i-entertain, wala to. Sa totoo lang. Kung hindi mo to i-entertain, wala yan. It's like a one-sided connection. Okay, I'm not seeing this as a relationship. This is just a plain, casual connection. Okay? Pwede yun ang point of view. Kung anong meron sa inyo. Okay? Meron ditong parang sabihin natin nag-workout lang or napoprolong or humahaba lang yung connection na meron kayo kasi pwedeng yung isa is gumagawa. Alam mo kung sino man yung gumagawa dito, uma-action, pag yan pinabayaan mo, bagsak na yan. Yeah, bagsak yan. Okay? Ano ba talagang emosyon nito for you? Let's see. Ano ba talagang emosyon niya for you, Sag? The Six of Swords. And the Hermit. Talagang tinatago. Andoon yung energy ng chasing. Gusto magpahabol ng taong to. Yeah. Okay, gusto magpahabol ng taong to. I don't know, talagang pwedeng na ipoprovide mo yung something. Okay, na kailangan niya. Yes. They're acting immature. Oh my God. So immature. I'm seeing here codependency. Yes. Nagpapahabol po ito. Okay. Acting distant, avoidant. Why? Because maybe you keep on chasing them. Don't chase. Yan, ano sila magmukhang TANGA. Okay? So, let's see. What is their next action? The Two of Swords. Being indecisive. Okay? Being indecisive. Why? Yeah, the Emperor in reverse. Oh my God. Holding back. Okay, hindi pagiging seryoso rito. The Emperor in reverse, hindi paggawa ng mga dapat gawin dito sa connection na to, not stepping up. And being indecisive. Okay, some of them, they're confused. Okay, some of them may mga option. Yeah. So that is why. That is why hindi sila nagiging consistent. Okay? So, let's see. Anong outcome / advice for you, Sag? The Nine of Swords. The Five of Cups. Okay. So, energy ng disappointments, energy ng stress, kalungkutan, kung ano-ano man. Okay? So, yeah. Hindi naman posible. Kasi kung ganito nga naman talaga, hindi naman posibleng ganito ang maging outcome. Okay? Sandali lang po ha, sandali lamang. Okay. So, yeah, again, outcome, disappointments, pag-iyak. Why? Because may chance kasi, yun nga, sabi ko. Pwedeng naging one-sided to, gumanap yung isa, gumanap para maging okay or maging, sabi natin, magkaroon ng continuous, no? na connection itong inyo. Okay? Kasi pwedeng nag-expect ka, baka sakali, ganto, ganyan. Pero, hindi eh. Yeah. Hindi. So, yeah. Crying, night and day, disappointments, alam nyo, don't be. Okay? Kasi, ginusto nyo naman. No? Ginusto nyo naman and, huwag kayong manghihinayang. Okay? Ganoon naman talaga eh, 'di ba? Every time na meron tayong gusto, pinupursu natin, no? So, kung hindi naman tayo magustuhan, kung hindi naman natin makuha, then maybe may dahilan talaga kung bakit. Okay? So, huwag kayong manghihinayang. Huwag kayong manghihinayang kung ginawa mo lahat. Okay? Parang sa goals mo, mga ganyan, gagawin mo lahat for it. Okay? And yeah, hindi naman palagi siguro na wala nang mangyayari. Okay? Masyado ka lang sigurong nakafocus sa nawala. Masyado ka lang sigurong nakafocus sa hindi mo nakuha. Okay? Hindi lang naman siguro yan. No? Oo, wag ka manghihinayang. So, maraming opportunities. Okay? Maraming connection na pwede pa na mangyari. Okay? So, yun ang nakukuha ko. Okay? So, death. Yan, the 8 of Wands in reversed. Okay, anyway, walang patutunguhan sa totoo lang. Okay, kung ganito naman kung ganito ang naging or magiging kakonect mo, or someone na, currently nga, okay, nakakonect, wala tayong magagawa dyan. Don't blame yourself if ever na parang hindi sila nakikipag cooperate, no, ng maganda with you, then so be it. Okay? Hindi naman sila yung sabihin nating kawalan. Okay? Yes. Yes. Sila dapat ang makaisip, sila dapat yung makaramdam na sila yung nawalan. Okay? So, let's see. All signs, Aries through Pisces. For you, Sag. Okay. Shuffle pa natin. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Okay. Aries. Oh, they're too confused. They're confusing. Some of them, may pagja-juggle ako nakukuha. Okay. Taurus. Inconsistency ang nakukuha ko rito. Okay, nandyan rin yung someone who is so secretive. Meron ako nakuha ditong option. Kaya ganyan. Gemini. So, I think some of you may energy rito ng money base. Okay, money base or benefits lang. Kaya siya nandyan. Okay. Cancer. There's regrets. Okay. Having regrets. Yeah. Leo. Okay. They want to reach out. They want to talk. Okay, some of you, this Leo is stalking you right now. Okay. Virgo. Okay. They want to come back. Rushing. Okay. Doesn't want to waste time. Okay. Libra. Being patient, pero unti-unti nang parang nauubos yung pasensya. Okay? Scorpio. They're thinking of you. Thinking of, sabihin nating magkaroon ng pagkakaayos. Parang ganyan, yeah. They're always thinking of you. Okay? You're always in their head. Okay? Sagittarius. They're sad. They're their emotions. No, they want to come back. They want to make a return. Some of them, they're depressed. Yeah. Okay. So, Capricorn doesn't want to step up. Being indecisive. Aquarius. Okay. So, merong ditong energy na pwedeng itong si Aqua is maraming conflict, maraming drama. Okay? Something like trauma. Okay? Na pwedeng nakaka-apekto sa inyo sa ngayon. Okay? Pisces. Okay. So, hinahayaan na lang nila yung sitwasyon sa ngayon. Hiding from you. Okay? They doesn't want to connect sa ngayon. Yeah. Some of you, gino-ghost ka nito. Okay? So there, yun ang ating reading for you, Sagittarius placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.